Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. I'm a 34-year-old single mom and teacher, and today I'm going to be saving for my month ahead. So I have $27 here. This binder is by Savings with Tracy. We started this last week, so I've just started saving for month ahead. And so we are putting $3 in each category. And once we have finished a category, we will move those $3 to the next category, and we will keep saving until we have everything for a month ahead. All right, so we're putting let's just put 3 in each. So starting with rent, we will not be able to color anything in. This is our biggest category, I think, and we need 57 to color in a house. So we don't have that yet, so I'm just going to mark our new balance. All right, so we have $9 in there. Our miscellaneous budget is for subscriptions, I believe, so I haven't figured out yet what that total is, so we're just gonna mark that we added 3. Oh no, wait, this is subscriptions. I'm not sure what our miscellaneous budget is for. I can't remember. Anyways, this is our subscriptions. I need to go back and figure out what I was planning. I did not do that yet. All right, internet. We are adding 3. Our total now is 6. So we can color in, let's see, this one, the rest of this one. And this full one. Each one of these is 2. Okay. Then we have our cell phone bill. We can color in one of these. Our gym budget, okay, so gym, each one is 19, so we don't have enough to color in one of these yet. Next we have gas, each one of these is 5. So we can color in one of these. Then we have electricity. Each one of these is 5. Alrighty, so we have one of those done. Next we have groceries. Each one of these is $11, so we can't quite color in one of these yet. And that is it. So we're making slow but steady progress on this. I'm very excited. One of my financial goals for this year is to do this, to complete 1 month ahead. So we got a great start on it, starting at the very beginning of the year. So hopefully by the end of the year, we can finish this. We'll see how much progress we make. But anyways, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope y'all have a great day and a great rest of your week. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.